Yes, phobias can definitely push a person towards, suicide. But I would like to add here is that it's not very prominently present, uh, you know, among the adults. It's more, amongst more prominently observed amongst children or teenagers, and also probably children who are in the early, ages of their childhood, like 5 to 8 years or less than 10 years of age. And they can definitely push a person towards suicide, but it's not very, very common until the phobia is very severe and the age group is below 10 to 15 years. It might be possible that phobia might push a child towards attempting or committing suicide. But sometimes, if the child is so terrified and unable to cope up with the phobia or the fears associated with that, they may be encountering phobia so frequently in their life that they may be uh, choosing suicide as an escaping mechanism to, come out of their fearful situation. But normally in adult age group, this phobia is not too high in comparison to depression, which is likely to be the major cause of suicide amongst the adults. Also, many a times, if a child has, for example, if a child has examination fear or examination anxiety, due to which he is constantly feeling anxious, they sometimes are unable to cope up with the academic burden and tend to develop a negative mental state, which can be quite detrimental to their uh, mental health, as they might start feeling depressed or negative and might feel that they do not have adaptive mechanisms to cope up with their current stressful situation, and they might look out for suicide as a solution, permanent solution to their problem. So if we talk about the phobias, yes, if we talk about the examination fear among kids, that's a very, very important factor or a cause which is prominently present among children. But I would not I would say that phobia is more directly related to onset of suicidal thoughts amongst children as compared to adults, wherein depression is the major factor which leads to onset of suicidal thoughts amongst adults.